Smiling is one of the most simple yet powerful things that you can do because when you smile, your brain releases tiny molecules called neuropeptides that help you to fight off stress. Also, another cool fact, most people on average do not smile until after 11:16 a.m. How they discovered that, I have no clue. But when I discovered that, I started to prioritize smiling. Smiling is a simple daily commitment that can transform your life. And what makes it so special is that in my book, Master Your Morning, I actually use the acronym AM Smiles. It's nothing but God that came up with this. But one day I did this experiment where I decided that every single day I would just commit to smiling for 1 minute. So when I was washing dishes, when I was getting dressed, when I was on a walk, I would just smile for 1 minute straight. And this small, seemingly meaningless commitment changed my entire mood, shifted my actions, and shifted my results. Truth be told is, I didn't even fully understand the science behind it at the time. I just knew I felt better, so I kept going with it. This very commitment was the reason that my book, Master Your Morning, was birthed, and the reason that I'm so passionate about getting it into the hands of people that really want to transform their life and understand the power of taking advantage of their morning and making the most of it. So if you're ready to take your life to the next level, I invite you to grab a copy of Master Your Morning. And trust me when I say, your future self will be so grateful that you did.